red. Sirens flashing as he leads ahead. The elephant rolls in a big cement mixer, turning round and round with the rumbling fixture. The rabbit rides a speedy scooter, zooming by like a rocket shooter.
The turtle rides a tiny train,
chugging slowly down the lane. The monkey swings in a jungle jeep, bouncing high with a silly beep. The zebra zips in a zebra-striped car, honking horns heard near and far. The cat cruises in a pink ballet van, spinning like only a dancer can. The dog rides a mail truck blue, waving letters and howling woo! The frog hops in a bouncing bus, jumping along with no big fuss. The fox rides by in a race car fast, zooming past, he's never last. The panda pedals a tricycle round, ringing a bell with a joyful sound. The giraffe rides tall in a double-decker, peeking above every roof and checker. Penguin slides in a snowmobile, gliding smoothly with icy zeal. The owl floats by in a hot air balloon, drifting gently with a hooting tune. The pig steers a tractor through the hay, oinking loud all the way. Here comes the animal vehicle parade, with wheels that spin and horns that played. From cars